SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to find downloaded files on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you previously downloaded a file in an app on your phone, such as Safari, then you might be wondering how to locate that app. You can find it by opening the Files app, which looks like this. It's just a blue file on a white background. If you can't find the Files app, then you can just swipe down on your screen to open the search field and just start typing for the Files app, and then you can tap it in the search result there, or you can swipe left until you get to the app library, and then you can either choose the Files app in Productivity and Finance, or you can search for it here, or you can scroll down and open it alphabetically from this list. That's going to take you to a screen that looks like this, where you may see some Recents option on this tab, or you can choose the Browse button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Depending on if you've ever used this app before or its current settings, you might need to tap the Browse button at the top left of the screen, but now you just need to choose the location where the downloaded file is saved. If you haven't changed the setting before and you're downloading in Safari, then it's probably an iCloud Drive, so you can just tap on that and then choose the Downloads option, and then you should be able to find the file there. If you would like to change the default location for Safari downloads to on my iPhone, or if it's currently this and you want it to make it iCloud Drive, then you can open the Settings app, which you can find the gray gear icon on your home screen, and tap that, and then you can just scroll down and select Safari from the list of options here, and then you can scroll down again until you find Downloads, and then you can choose either iCloud Drive on my iPhone or other if there's another place where you want it to store the files you download.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.